Hey everybody, it's Neil, and check out what I got here. Sorry, my hair is a mess, but I got this. It is a box, and this is what it is here. I don't know if you can see it from there, but it is a 40-ounce tumbler. So it's like those famous name brand ones. Probably, I don't know if I can say it or not, but let's check out and see what it is here. So this one is black. God, this is huge. Oh, this is gonna be great. So check it out. So it's that. Let's see, is it a screw top? Yes, it's a screw top. Check that out. And then it's got the top here. It looks just like those other ones, but you can kind of twist it, I guess, to open it. I don't know. Oh, and then that's for a straw. So I could twist it around here and put a straw through it in there. And it does. Let me see what it, okay, let's see all this stuff comes with. So it comes with 2 straws and a straw cleaner and a different top. Let's see. Oh, I guess it comes with two different tops, 2 tops. I don't know why. So let's see if there's a difference between them. Nope, not really. They look the same to me. Do they look the same to you? Are they the same color? Probably. Maybe just, I don't know. But it came with 2 straws too. I wonder if they just packed extras in there by mistake. Let's see. Sorry. Let's see. So this is what the straw looks like here. And we'll try it here. So we'll twist it around and then stick it through and screw it on. How funny is that? So cool. That seems to fit good. I'm gonna go fill this up with water, and this will be my new drinking cup, I guess. Seems good to me. So let's see, who is it by? ZUWOZU. That's the brand right there. It's got a cool little logo on it too. And I like the way it's splashed like this. I actually have a laser etcher, so I might be able to engrave my name or something on the side of that. How cool is that? And it's got a rubber for here to make it comfortable. Very cool. I like it. Seems very well made. Definitely comparable to the name brand ones. And I like it. So thumbs up from me. I'll put a link to this in the description so you guys can pick one up for yourselves. Like my video, subscribe to my channel, and I'll be back with some more reviews soon. And now I've got it filled up with some ice and water, and it seems like the ice has been lasting a little while on it, so super cool. I like it.